So I'm back with a new video. What a style! My hairstyles are just back today, and this video won't be some live streaming, or this won't be a that techniques anything streams. But this video we're gonna unbox our tripod. It's 3110 mobile tripod. So let us now. I have purchased it from Snapdeal, and there were lots of quarrels to buy this. So finally I have purchased it as it is lockdown. It was just 1000 rupees. My hair is too long. I have to get it cut. Let us open it. I have only two tripods from which I am making video, and one which I have purchased. Okay. Seems nice. Let's open. It got some wet as I kept it in the sunlight. So here is our tripod. This contains our tripod. Let's open it. Oh, seems good. It can be extended, right? It's too long. Yeah. Really nice. And here we have its holder, which contains our phone. So let me teach you how we can. I watched too much videos on YouTube which was trash, full of rubbish, cramanium you can say. So I'll tell you how to attach it from the tripod, and let's attach this to tripod. To tighten it, and like this. So we have to tighten it after this. Okay, this also we have to tight, and this also we have to tight. So the phone is here, comes a tripod, and let us attach from this tripod to this. So here is our tripod, and here is me. So till this boxing tripod which we purchased has good quality. Okay. Let me. It will just be tight for us too. Hi. So this tripod has now stand full length, but I want to tell you this tripod is amazing. But this best thing I like in it was it has second time I've purchased a camera tripod. So its length, I can see it's very small and it's good for us. So we can just keep it like this and shoot a video. That's amazing, but its tilting feature is also good. It should be smoothly, and the thing which I didn't like it in was it came very late as I purchased in the 4th May, and packing quality was also not very good as the Amazon's do. Amazon's is updating, but it's not updating cash, right? So maintaining the social distancing. So this was good, but thing in which I didn't like was because that it was expensive, and yes, that's good, but and this holder for the tripod stand cannot take my phone as it's pristine for me, it's new, and its quality and my phone quality is real. It's can very different. So for this tripod and my phone quality to attach it in my tripod stand is not much good, but my phone is heavy, Samsung Galaxy A30 Plus, and see, you can see tilted. So last time, let me show you, and stars I give from 5 is 3.5, because 1.5 I would not give because it came late, full expensive, and it cannot handle my phone. It can handle, I'm not saying it's very bad, not like that. It is just, it's good, but it couldn't be improved. Okay, I have rekindled to my mother to purchase it anymore, and I used to crash up my behavior. She said discount on us, and they're gonna purchase it me from this. Okay, so now let me show you how does it look.